Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about Python maths. Python is a set of built-in math functions including an extensive math module that allow you to perform a mathematical task on numbers. And today I will tell you about the math functions and its modules. Built-in math function. The minimum and maximum function can be used to find the lowest and highest value of the value in an interval. When you write min 5, 10, 25, it will return 5. When you write max 5, 10, 25, then it will return you 25. The absolute function returns the absolute value of the specified number. Example, x is equal to abs minus 20 minus 7.25, then it will return you 7.25. The power function return the value of x to the power of y. When you write power 4, 3, it will return you 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. The math module. Python has also a built-in module called math which extends the list of mathematical functions. To use it, you must import the math module. When you have imported the math module, you can start using the math.sqrt method. For example, return the square root of the number. Now you have to write import math because this is the extended functions which are inbuilt in math module. So you can call it from there, and math.sqrt64 will return you 8. The math ceiling method rounds the number upward to its nearest integer, and math floor method rounds the number to downward to its nearest integer and return the result. Math Ceil 1.4 return you 2 and math floor return you 1.4 return you 1, because 0.5 Ceil it will give you a maximum limit and floor will give you a minimum value of the number. Math pi constant return you a pi value, that is 3.14. Then there is a 4 module by Python random number through which we can work on the random numbers, and there are several which I will introduce you in a later lecture. Seed, get state, set state, get random bit, random range, and many more. So through which you can make a games program and you can generate a random number to make a lucky draw and many more things. Then Python request module. It will request a particular URL of the website page, and you can call that page and you can respond that page and you can work on the website. Then Python statistical module, in which you will learn the mathematical statics of the numeric data, and these are so many: harmonic mean, median, mode. You can calculate all those things, and then standard deviation and variance and correlation and many more things. The Python math module. Math module will calculate the mathematical value, that is cos, sine, tan, and degree, exponent, fabs, floor, factorial, f mod, f exponent, and many more. GCD, LCD, infinite, infinity, nan, and hypothesis, Euclidean norms, and many more things which you can use when you required. Everyone is not required these functions because it is required by the science students or scientists or who use mathematics in their programming. Log, pow, proud, tan, these are a square root, I already told you. And then mathematical constant, that is Euler numbers, infinite, nan number, pi number, and tau number. Then comes Python complex math module. Complex number means a number with a number plus imaginary value with it in a int and float form. These are the function of methods of the complex maths, complex number which you can use in your program when you require. You have to learn only one, how to use it, and what is the syntax of these method. Then you can use it in your program very easily. Then math constant, that is a Euler number, floating point positive infinity and negative infinity, complex infinity value, not a number value, then nan value, pi and tau value. So these are the 4 module which we use in math. Now learn how to run the mathematical function in Python. In Python, when we write the function and run it, then it will give you a value. So do it one by one. First of all, you have to import the math module for those functions which are not in inbuilt function, and then write the program. Min and max and absolute. What it will give you? 5, 25 and 7.5. So run it and get the value of these things. First of all, you have to save it and run it. Python max. Min will give you 5 and max will give you 25, and absolute value will give you without negative sign. Then next comes power. Power means the power of number which you define in your function for the power of 3. So it will give you 64. The len of a string using function s. Len will give you a number of character in it, and then run it and find out it. Power and len. Power will give you a 64 because you have written 4 into 4 into 4, and len will give you a 6 because Python has a 6 character. Then square root. A square root function will give you a square root of 64, that is 8, and ceiling will give you a 2, and floor will give you a 1, and pi will give you a 3.14. So let's run it and find out. Len of a string is 6, and the square root of the number is 8, and then pi is 3.14, ceiling is 2, and floor is 1. As I told you, ceiling will give you 2 and floor will give you a 1. Then come round. Round off the number. How to round off the number? When you say round 0.5, then it will give you a 1. When you say round minus 2.2 and round 3.14, then it will give? Just run and find out. And next is the div mode. So run together, otherwise you have to save again and again. Then you will find the round of the number. The 0, round of number 0, 0.5 ka 0, then minus 2, then 3.14, and div mode take two non-complex number as argument, return a pair of number consisting of their quotient and remainder, which using log division. What it is doing? Log division. So when you divide 8 by 8, then it will goes one time and remainder will be 0. So here it is giving 0, and it is giving 2, and this is giving 3.14. So this is all today, and if any problem, please comment me, then I will sort out, and if you like it, then please share and subscribe. Thank you, viewers.